Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming exactly which account or service requires corrected credentials and why. This prevents needless resets. Once confirmed, gather verified ID, backup email, recovery phone, and any admin contact. Then, immediately open the account recovery or admin console and start the reset flow. Follow prompts for identity proof. Make sure to record the recovery steps you take because you will need them for downstream systems that rely on the same credentials. You now verify identity precisely. Complete 2FA, answer security questions, or upload required documents. This confirms the change is authorized. Once verified, rotate passwords, API keys, and SSH keys systematically. Use strong, unique strings and a password manager. Then update credential stores and secrets in CI/CD pipelines, config files, and any service accounts. Make sure to propagate changes in the correct order so dependent services don't fail, and pause automated jobs until credentials are validated. You finish by validating access. Test sign-ins, API calls, and service authentications end-to-end, from least privileged client to admin console. Once tests pass, audit logs for failed attempts, unusual IPs, and confirmation of successful transitions, record timestamps and actors. Document the new credentials' location, access policy, and rotation schedule, then notify stakeholders. If something goes wrong, check recent audit entries and roll back cached credentials. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals stale secrets or missed updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.